In this video, I will show you how to create your Instagram cache. Let's get started. So in order to do that, if you head over right here to your profile icon, and when you click on these three lines right here, in order to show your settings. And when you try to search in here for cache, you should be able to see that there are no results for that. So if you still want to remove your cache, what you can do is you can head over and then just go to your settings. On your settings, search for app, and you can see in here this app setting. Now click on that. From in there, click on the apps in here again, and then just look for the Instagram. So here's the Instagram right here. I don't need to search for it anymore. Now click on this Instagram. From in there, click on the storage, and in here you can see the cache. Now head over and then just click in this on the clear cache, and then the cache from the Instagram should be removed in there. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you soon.